Still joining or joined up?
Still joining, sir.
Shall I start now?
Yes, sir.
Kingdom. Protista. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
It is commonly known as kingdom of unicellular
Eukaryotes.
eukaryotes. Okay, na? It divided into 3 major groups. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
First group,
Chrysoprotist.
group, photosynthetic protist. Okay, na? This type of visible or not visible?
Visible, sir.
Next.
Non-photosynthetic. Saprophytic.
Saprophytic protists. Okay, na?
Yes,
Or consumer, decomposer, protists. Okay, na?
yes, sir.
So it includes which moles?
Slime mouse.
Slime mold.
Next, protozoan, protists. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
These are relatives of dash. I don't know. Just like that I am using. Huh? They are relatives of what? They are primitive
Primitive
Animals.
relatives of
Primitive animals.
animals. No. Okay, na? Primitive relatives of
Animals.
animals.
human beings are.
Animals.
Animals.
C for
Chrysophytes.
Abba. After C,
Pyrophytes.
D.
Dinoflagellates.
Dinoflagellates.
After D,
Euglenoids.
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 okay, na?
Yes, sir.
C for
Chrysophytes.
after C, D.
D.
Dinoflagellates.
E for
Euglenoids.
Euglenoids.
So letter C, D, E related to comes under
Photosynthetic protists.
Photosynthetic protists.
saprophytic protist,
Slime mounds.
Slime mounds.
predators or parasitic animals,
Sporozoan.
saprophytic protist, protozoan protist. Okay, na?
Okay. Yes, sir.
The 100% these are heterotrophs. Okay, na? All are heterotrophs. All heterotrophs. Okay. Kingdom Protista does not have well-defined boundaries. What are not well-defined? Boundaries. Not well-defined. Do you know why?
They show similarities to fungi, plants, and animals.
They show similarity, characters close to
Photosynthetic protists.
organism, algae. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fungi.
Saprophytic Protists.
Animals.
Protozoan.
No cell wall, nothing. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So they show character. They share the characters related to plants, fungi, and animals. That's right. There are no well-defined boundaries. It included unicellular plants, unicellular animals, unicellular fungi. That's why there are no clear-cut boundaries for this kingdom. Okay, now,
Yes, sir.
and it is the connecting link between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because the link with plants, animals, fungi, with one hand and other hand with prokaryotes. And protistians are characterized by well-defined membrane-bound
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
membrane-bound nucleus and membrane-bound
Cell organelles.
organelles. First time, true sexual reproduction is seen, appear. Sexual reproduction means there should be
Gametes.
Gametes.
Gamete formation and fertilization.
Fusion of gametes.
gametic
Gametic fusion.
syngamy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This results in zygote formation.
Zygote
form.
Zygote formation. Meiosis occurs. You recollect it. In Monera, true sexual reproduction is present.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Gamete formation is seen.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
Zygote formation is seen.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Meiosis occur.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
But
sir.
these all events first time occur in
Protist.
Protista.
okay, no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So they reproduce both asexually and sexually, no doubt. Asexual reproduction by binary fission, spore formation. Apart from special case, true sexual reproduction is also seen. First time, true gamete formation, gametic fusion, result is the diploid zygote and that undergoing meiosis. These are events, very good events, sexual reproduction events are seen that are totally lacking, absent in monarians. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Chrysophytes. It includes
Diatoms.
Diatoms and golden algae.
Dismiss.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Desmids.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Golden,
Algae.
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 brown algae.
Golden algae.
Golden.
Golden algae.
Difference is there now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And these are also known as bacillariophyceae. Bacillariophyceae are jewels of ocean or sea. Jewels of ocean or sea. Okay, na? Diatoms. Any doubt, bhai?
No, sir.
So, if you see the habitat, they found in both
Freshwater and
Fresh
marine.
and marine.
Water and marine environment.
marine water. Mostly as a
Freshwater.
Fresh.
phytoplanktons. Pioneers of hydroxylation. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are phytoplanktons. Around 50% or more than 50% of phytoplanktonic flora represented by diatoms. Which atoms?
Diatoms.
Diatoms.
So they float passively on the surface of water.
Lack pressure.
The cell, it contains cell wall. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
The cell wall is called pustule. What do you call?
Freshwater.
Fracture.
This is called pustule. That means it is made up of two unequal walls. Two unequal walls. These two unequal walls, they fit together like a
Soapbox.
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 upper one is known as
Epitheca.
lower one,
Hypotheca.
Hypotheca.
and this pustule or cell wall mainly made up of
Silicon.
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 cellulose. Cell wall is cellulosic cell wall embedded with
Silica.
you got it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Silica is given. The primary cell wall is mainly made up of what? Cellulose.
Cellulose.
Cellulose with silica. That's why after the death of the diatom, they sink down to the bottom of the sea or ocean for billions of years. They pile one above the other. They spread for kilometers together, and that forms
Diatomaceous.
Diatomaceous.
Diatomaceous earth.
which earth, Nana?
Diatomaceous.
Diatomaceous earth. Di-two. Diatomaceous earth. Ah, some gar.
Kieselguhr.
Kieselguhr.
Which gar, Nana?
Kieselguhr.
Kieselguhr.
Kieselguhr. And this diatomaceous earth or Kieselguhr, it is how it is nature.
Gritty in nature.
Gritty nature.
And that is used for
Used in
Polishing.
Filtration of oils, polishing.
polish.
Filtration.
And also
filtration of oils and syrup.
Oils and syrups.
oils and syrups. It is also used additional. It is also used in manufacturing dynamite. It's used in color paints. It is used in soundproofing. Soundproofing. In cinema halls, they use this for soundproofing. Soundproofing purpose. They mix in the color Use it for dynamite manufacturing. Apart from this all. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Based on the symmetry, the atoms are classified into based on what, Nana?
Symmetry.
Symmetry.
With symmetry
Structural.
divided into two types.
Centrals and
There in
fungi.
Telugu Academy. For this syllabus, for this topic, you must read Telugu Academy. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is there
Yes,
in
sir.
NCRT, everything is there in Telugu Academy with a little bit more information. You should not deny that it is out of syllabus. It is enlarged content of NCRT, little bit more in the case of Telugu Academy test. Structural symmetry. Based on symmetry, two types of diatom. Centrales diatoms and pinnales diatoms. Centrales diatom, they show
Radial symmetry. Bilateral symmetry.
Bilateral symmetry.
Followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are also, the atoms are also used as a pollution indicators. Which indicators?
Pollution.
Which among the following are used as a pollution indicators? A, diatoms. B, lichens. C, green algae. 4, both 1 and 2.
Both one and
Two.
Both 1 and 2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the next one?
Dinoflagellates.
Pyrophyte.
They're also known as
Pyrophyta.
wiggling wheels. Or
Fire.
Fire algae.
Pyrophyta. Pyro means fire. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Algae. Fire algae. Okay? Or Please tell me.
They are marine.
Mostly
Mesokaryotes.
photosynthetic.
Mesokaryotes. This is there in the Telugu Academy. Very important bit. Very, very standard bit. That is missing in our NCRT. Dinoflagellates are connecting link between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. That's why they are mesokaryotes. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These fellows are dinoflagellates are mostly
Marine and
Marine.
photosynthetic.
mostly freshwater forms, right? Mostly
Marine.
Mostly
Marine
marine and
forms.
photosynthetic.
mostly marine forms and photosynthetic. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Cell wall.
Cellulose.
Cellulose.
Stiff cellulose plates.
Cellulosic plates are. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Like this they form. Yes or no? Armored like nature. Two flagella. One flagella is longitudinally placed. Another one is transversally placed. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Here, they are colorful fellows. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
They are colored.
Chlorophyll.
You know RBG? You visited anytime? Anyone in the class? What is the full form? Hey, largest herbarium is maintained by.
Royal Botanical Garden.
Say bye. To whom? Royal Botanical Garden. You visited guide. For the guide, you are telling bye. R for
Red.
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 Blue.
Blue.
Green.
Green.
Brown.
Brown and yellow.
Brown. Yellow.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Panchakshari colors, 5 colors. Penta. What you are telling to RBG?
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, na? Those are the
Yes.
okay, na? And suppose a red tides are caused by
Gonolax.
Goniolax.
red tides of Mediterranean is because of gonial. The
Goniolax.
gonial contain more amount of
Red. Pigment.
Red.
pigment. Whichever pigment is most abundant, that will give that color. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Flagella.
What about Nancy?
Flagella.
Two flagellum. Dinoflagellates.
But the previous class absent, no?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Diatoms, dismiss they absent. But in diatoms, one important point I missed, diatoms. After this, I will explain. Okay, na?
Yes.
That is not there in NCERT, but standard question that is there in Telugu Academy. I will discuss after. Flagella. How many are there?
Two flagellum.
Two flagellum.
Two flagellum.
One is longitudinal lipase and one is
And transverse.
they are heterocontent, different types, not same type. Heterocont. Okay, na?
Yes.
And they show opposite beating. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You know Hunter? Hunter, you know Hunter?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It shows hunter-like movement. That's why wiggling whips. Whip. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. This shows hunter-like movement. That is spinning movement. Which movements?
Spinning.
Spinning movements. Reproduction, if you see, generally multiply asexually by binary fission. Which fission? Binary.
Binary.
Nucleus contain
Nuclear membrane.
condensed chromosomes without
Histone protein.
histone protein. When histone proteins are not there, this is which character?
Prokaryotic.
But membrane bound nucleus with chromosome
Eukaryotic.
Eukaryotic.
and chromosomes are seen during dividing cell, but it is seen during undividing cell, which is known as which phase? Interphase. Inside the nucleus, chromatin material should be present. Instead of chromatin material, chromosome is present. Naked chromosome, condensed naked chromosome without stones. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is known as a mesokaryon. Which karyon?
Mesokaryotic.
Mesokaryote.
So I forgot to tell you one important point related to diatoms. See, Nana, diatoms during favorable condition, generally they multiply by binary fission. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In each generation, one of the two unequal daughter cells are forming in each generation. Okay, na?
Yes.
One is original parental cell, another one is smaller than the parental cell. Okay, na?
Yes.
Which theca this is?
Epitheca.
Epitheca.
This is which theca?
Hypotheca.
Epitheca of the parent becoming epitheca of daughter. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
But hypotheca of parent are becoming not hypotheca. It become
Epitheca.
so as a result, unequal daughter cells are formed. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Sir.
You got it, Anana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, if you see, Epitheca. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Epitheca. This is
Hypothetic.
hypotheca. Again, size decreases, no?
Yes, sir.
So gradually in each generation, successive daughter cells which are formed, some daughter cells decreasing in their size. That is the speciality of
Diatom.
Diatom.
during sexual reproduction by the fusion of gametes. What is formed?
Zygote.
Zygote. The zygote which is formed that it enlarges to the original size of the
Parent.
parent diatom.
Yes,
Which is
sir.
known as
Oxospore.
oxyspore.
Rejuvenated.
This oxyspore is known as
Rejuvenatory.
rejuvenating, which is lost due to binary fission, no?
Yes, sir.
So rejuvenate. Okay, na?
Yes.
So
Yes.
these rejuvenating spores are sexual spores are asexual spores are
Sexual.
Sexual spores.
formed as a result of sexual reproduction. And diploid is,
Diploid.
and they show gametic meiosis, not zygotic meiosis. They show
Gametic.
Gamet.
notice 10, they show zygotic meiosis, but here they are showing which meiosis?
Gametic.
Gametic.
Gametic meiosis. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this one you remember addition. So this rejuvenating oxospore, these terms are there in Telugu Academy. That's why I am asking you people repeatedly. I am informing you people, please concentrate on the Telugu Academy. Okay, right. Next is the
Euglenoids.
Euglenoid.
okay, na? Okay, euglenoids. Okay. Okay. This is the euglena. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Euglenoids. Dinoflagellates, few examples you must remember. Red color of red Mediterranean seas, red types of Mediterranean seas due to
Cornulax.
the first bioluminescent algae discovered is the reported is the
Noctiluca.
noctiluca. Nocturnal means
Night time.
night time it emits the
Light.
So what is that example?
Noctiluca.
Noctiluca. Noctiluca commonly known as, because of that reason it is commonly known as the night light. Which is the night light?
Noctiluca.
Noctiluca. Okay, na? That remember. Very, very, very important. Okay. Next one is the euglena. It is like the electric pole. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
E for
Euglenoids.
Euglenoids.
pole, P. Pelican.
Pelican.
Sanova.
Yes.
Europe. In which country?
Europe.
Europe.
In Europe, wall absent. What is absent?
Wall.
Wall absent.
From where? From 2 feet. From pedestrian. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
E for
Euglenoid.
wall absent means
Pelican.
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 It is flexible and made up of protein.
Proteinaceous.
Proteinaceous.
Okay, na? It is a
Yes.
proteinaceous membrane called.
Pelican.
Pelican.
It is rigid or flexible?
Flexible.
2 feet. How many flagella?
Two.
Two flagella.
Two flagellas.
Fed. Photosynthetic, no?
Yes, sir.
During daytime, it perform
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
contain
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
A and B.
B.
calories and
Xanthophyll.
same has higher plants. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Higher plants also chlorophyll A and B. Carotenes and xanthophyll are present. So during daytime, it is performing which type mode of nutrition?
Autotrophic.
Autotrophic mode of
But
nutrition.
nighttime,
Predator.
Predatory.
Predator.
predator.
Exotrophic.
Mixotrophic.
So that's why it is known as a which tropical?
Mixotrophic.
Mixed
Mixotrophic.
type of nutrition is there, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Daytime phototrophic, nighttime heterotrophic. Which heterotrophic acts as the predator? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it multiplies generally by LBF.
Vertical binary.
Longitudinal binary.
Longitudinal binary.
Sexual reproduction is not yet reported. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sexual
Yes, sir.
reproduction is not reported now. And during unfavorable condition, it forms a special stage called
Palmella stage.
Palmella stage.
Palmella stage. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes.
This class is up to
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Next. Saprophytic protists, or they are also known as
Slime mold.
Slime mold.
slime molds. Okay, very good. And these slime molds, during favorable condition, what they form?
Plasmodium.
Plasmodium.
Multi-nucleate. During favorable condition, what it form? Multi-nucleated
Syncytium.
mass of protoplasm surrounded by
Plasma.
Plasma membrane.
Plasma membrane.
an aggregate to form.
Plasmodium.
Plasmodium.
This plasmodium is formed during
Favorable condition.
Favorable conditions.
during unfavorable condition. Plasmodium gives rise to
Spores.
Spores.
fruiting
Fruiting body.
Fruiting bodies.
body that produces
Bearing bears spores at the tips.
during
Unfavorable condition.
Unfavorable condition.
plasmodium during
Unfavorable
Favorable
spore formation during
Unfavorable
Favorable
and
condition.
the spores which are formed characterized by presence of
Two cell.
cell walls. This is the character
Plant.
and plasmodium is the membraneless, no? Wall-less, no?
Yes, sir.
It is surrounded by main body is known as plasmodium. It is with cell wall or without cell wall?
Without cell wall.
Without cell wall.
Multinucleated mass of protoplasm surrounded by plasma membrane or cell membrane is known as.
Plasmodium.
It
Plasmodium.
is exhibiting animal character as well as plant character, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plant character is presence of
Cell wall.
Cell wall.
that formed during which favorable and unfavorable.
Unfavorable.
Unfavorable condition.
Dispersal takes place by water currents, air currents, animals.
Water. Water. Air current.
Air currents.
Wind currents.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
What is this? Wait.
Plasmodium.
Plasmodium.
What is plasmodium?
Multinucleated mass of
Multinucleated mass of
protoplasm.
Multinucleated mass.
What is this?
Plasmodium.
Plasmodium.
Means
Multinucleated mass of protoplasm.
Multinucleated mass of protoplasm surrounded by cell membrane or plasma membrane is known as plasmodium. Malarial parasite is known as
Plasmodium
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 virus.
any
virus.
difference is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
What difference?
Malarial parasite.
Yawa. It is in italics. It is without italics. Okay, na?
Yes.
It is italic, sir.
फिर मैं प्रिंट कर लूं क्या भाई? समझ लेना.
Okay, sir.
In the question paper, plasmodium is a बोल के ऐसा दिए भाई क्वेश्चन. A, it is a malarial parasite. B, multinucleated protoplasm, an aggregate of multinucleated protoplasm surrounded by plasma membrane. Third option, both 1 and 2. Fourth option, neither of that. Neither 1 nor 2. What is your answer?
Multinuclear mass of
Second option.
If it is in italics,
malarial parasite.
Real parasite.
समझ में आया ना अब?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If this question is asked, you will do mistake, huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
sir.
No. Let us go. Huh? Protozoans. Protozoans are advanced,
Heterotrophs.
advanced or primitive?
Primitive.
Primitive.
Uncles of animals, huh?
Relatives.
Relatives of animals.
Uncles of amphibians, huh?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Primitive relatives of
Animals.
Animals.
4 major types, no?
Yes, sir.
First wala,
Amoeboid.
Protozoan.
amoeba. Here, locomotor structure is
Pseudopodia.
Pseudopodia.
ciliated.
Protozoan.
Locomotor structure,
Cilia.
Cilia.
flagellated protozoans,
Flagella.
Locomotive
Flagella.
structure, flagella.
Sporozoans.
Sporozoans are infectious spore-like stage.
Immobile.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Amoeboid, where they occur? Fish water, huh?
Yes.
Marine water, huh?
Marine pot.
And moist soil, huh?
Yes. Yes, sir.
These bloody fellows are characterized by
Have
Pseudopodia.
silica shells.
Silica shell.
Silica shells on the surface.
Walrus.
On the surface. Marine forms, not fish water. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Silica silvers are found in A, diatoms, B, amoeboid, marine amoeboid protozoans, C, freshwater amoeboid protozoans, D, both 1 and 2.
Both 1
Marine.
and 2.
Both one.
Both?
One
Both
and
1 and
1
2.
and 2.
Answer is only one. Yes,
Marine.
Yes, sir. Cell wall.
Silica,
Marine.
silvals, diatom.
Selva Shelsa.
Shells, sir.
Shells, sir.
You got the difference now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Be careful. Be careful. A parasitic amoeba that causes amoeba.
Entamoeba histolytica.
Entamoeba.
Entamoeba histolytica.
And amoeba is starting. They multiply by binary fission, multiple fission. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ciliated. Paramecium, no?
Mm.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
With pellicle.
Paramecium, verticella. Bell animalcula, verticella belito. Slipper animalcule, paramecium. Binucleated, no? Cells are?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Macro
yes,
and
sir.
micro.
And micronucleus.
It is slipper animalcule, no, no.
Slipper shape.
It is slipper animalcule. Cilia, these are two nucleus, macronucleus and
Micro.
Micronucleus.
nucleus. Binucleated. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This you remember. Paramecium is the best example. So for that you can remember. Okay, na? Ciliated protozoan, they found in aquatic habitat. They move with the help of presence of few cilia,
Cilia.
thousands of cilia,
Thousands of
Thousands of cilia.
hundreds of cilia,
Thousands of cilia. Thousands of cilia.
thousands of
Thousands of
cilia.
cilia.
and they show what is this? Galleta.
Yes, sir.
Water-laden movement.
Cytosome is equivalent to
Mouth.
mouth. Do you remember Euglena? This is known as
Cytosome.
That was
is equivalent to
Mouth.
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 this is cytopharynx
Cytopharynx.
equivalent to
Gullet.
gullet. This
Gullet.
part reservoir, no?
Yes, sir.
Here it is showing differentiation of gullet. Okay, na? That is open outside. Okay, na? What it will move?
Cilia.
Water-laden with food
Cilia
particles.
will move.
Water-laden
Okay.
with
The
food
cilia
particles.
helps in movement of water along with food, you know?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That will engulf. Okay. Flagellated. So they may be flagellated protozoans are free living or parasitic.
Both.
Either
Both.
free
They can
living
be
or
aquatic,
parasitic.
free
Or
living, or
parasitic.
Free living or
Parasitic.
Parasitic.
a flagellated protozoan that causes sleeping sickness, African sleeping
Trypanosoma
sickness.
gambiense.
Which one?
Trypanosoma.
Trypanosoma gambiense.
Trypanosoma gambiensis. Caused by housefly,
Flagellated protozoan.
housefly, CC fly, Trypanosoma, leishmania.
Trypanosoma.
Malaria is caused by
Plasmodium. Plasmodium.
female Anopheles mosquito, Culex Anopheles mosquito,
Female Anopheles.
Melena.
Plasmodium. Which one?
Female Anopheles.
Female Anopheles.
Ebomna, Echinoda, Plasmodium. They are the vectors. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
CC fly is also vector for sleeping sickness, African sleeping sickness. Okay, na?
Yes.
Parasites are this one. Okay, na? See, mosquitoes are biting us. So every person is suffering from malaria, na?
No.
So if the female Anopheles having the plasmodium, when it bites, it enters into our blood, it results in malarial disease. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sporozoan. Sporozoans, they produce spores in the life cycle. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wrong. Spore-like stage.
No.
Infectious spore-like stage. You see, read what is given.
Spore-like stage in the life cycle.
Spore-like or spora?
Spore-like.
Or
Like
like stage
stage in the life cycle.
You
in
see,
the life cycle.
infectious or non-infectious?
Infection.
Infectious.
It produces sporozoans are produces sporozoan means animal spores producing
Infectious.
Stage.
More like
infectious
spore-like. Spore-like stage.
like stage. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is most notorious, no, fellow? This parasite
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
causes which disease?
Plasmodium
Malaria.
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 Malaria. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So today you read, tomorrow you ask the doubts. Which book you should refer?
Telugu Academy.
Telugu Academy. Tomorrow I will discuss the fungi. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Day after tomorrow I will complete up to virus. Okay? Lichens.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So,
Thank you, sir.
tomorrow first 15 minutes I will ask the questions. Today you sit for 1 hour. Please complete the syllabus. Now just you go through it. Still 10 minutes more. If any doubts are there, you can ask. Do you have question papers? Today's question paper?
Yes, sir.
You got the question paper? Huh? You got the question paper, Nana? Today's question paper?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any question there?
No, sir.
No. So you will promise, no? Today you will sit for 1 hour, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Complete the syllabus. Protista. And whatever the doubts you are having, even simple word or a sentence, don't hesitate. You can ask, you can clarify the doubt. Okay?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, sir.
And simultaneously, you should concentrate for the living world also. Because the accumulated test is there now for you.
Yes, sir.
So at least one time you should do the revision.
Okay, sir. Sir, what does this mean, sir? What may be a photosynthetic protistian to one biologist may be a plant to another.
What?
Second line of the kingdom Protista, sir.
NCRT, huh?
Yes, sir.
You read.
What may be a photosynthetic protistian to one biologist may be a plant to another.
That's why that's why there is no well-defined boundaries. थोड़े लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? ये plant है, ये थोड़े लोग ये नहीं है बोल के.
अच्छा,
For example, euglynide you take. उसको animal बोलना, plant बोलना.
कुछ भी ना हो सकता.
Huh?
Plant.
Yeah, no. It is performing photosynthesis plant, huh?
Yes, sir.
Cell wall is absent, animal, huh?
Yes, sir.
Nighttime predator parasite, no?
Yes, sir.
Animal, huh?
Yes, sir.
Alright. If you take slime molds, cell wall is present. When cell wall is plant, cell membrane is absent. Animal, so like that confusion. Okay, na? So that's why there are no well-defined boundaries.
Okay. Asexually by fission, na sir.
Pardon, Nana?
Asexually they reproduce by fission, na sir.
Reproduction by fission in the case of diatoms, euglenoids, dinoflagellates. Okay, na?
Fission, na sir. Fusion.
Fission, FISSION.
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
कुछ भी नहीं है सर. वो
You can leave now.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Bye, Nana.